Reboot.
Hey everyone, Technical Blader here, and I'm with Hasbro's dual threat launcher, and I'm going to unbox it physically and digitally. That's when I scan the code. So without wasting much time, let's open the box. So to test out the dual threat launcher, I have siegXcalibur 1 Reboot and legendSpriggan 8 Merge. These are unofficial bays I bought for experimental purposes, and you can check the link I just put up for that video. And of course, I'll be going with legendSpriggan for the dual threat launcher because, you know, for anime accuracy, and my opponent will be using Xcaliur with a light launcher LR in a 3-point battle. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go.
Reboot.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Woo. Mm. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
Eek.
Three, 2, 1, go. No, yes. Okay, so you need to unclick this part, unclick it, then you can freely change between left and right. So this is right spin, click it back, left spin, click it back. So first we'll try out left spin. 3, 2, 1, go. And then right spin. 3, 2, 1, go. And that's it. And that's it for this unboxing. More details in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel for more awesome technical videos and also to support me. Goodbye and keep blading from a technical blader.